Hello everyone. Today's question is, open parenthesis 2 plus 2 close parenthesis plus 20 divided by 2 times 5. 2 plus 2 equals 4, and 4 plus 20 equals 24, and 24 divided by 2 equals 12, and finally 12 times 5 equals 60. But this answer is wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS rule. The rule that comes to our aid here is the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a simple way to remember the order of mathematical operations. The letter P stands for parentheses. The letter E stands for exponents. The letters M and D stand for multiplication and division. And finally, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So in short, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must first solve inside the parentheses. 2 plus 2 equals 4, and the expression becomes 4 plus 20 divided by 2 times 5. In this expression, after the parentheses, it's the turn of multiplication and division, which we do from left to right. So 20 divided by 2 equals 10, and then 10 times 5 equals 50. And finally, it's the turn of addition, so 4 plus 50 equals 54. If you want to get smarter every day and challenge yourself, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, goodbye.